Using a 3/4 inch socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the wheel. All right, we're going to use a 14mm socket and remove this bolt here and this bolt down here. Next, we're going to use a screwdriver and go ahead and pry that brake caliper off. Might have to work it a little bit, depending if it's rusty. I'm going to go ahead and use a hanger to go ahead and support that caliper. Go ahead and use a 21mm socket. We're going to remove this bolt here, and then there's one up top. Once we have those loose, we'll just go ahead and use a ratchet to go ahead and zip those off a little bit quicker. And once you get that bolt out, go ahead and do the same for the bottom one. Go ahead and remove the rotor, set that aside. Go ahead and remove those brake pads. I'm going to go ahead and remove the sliders. I'm going to wire brush and clean up the slider bracket. And repeat for the other side. I'm going to pull your slider pins. I want to make sure you can separate the rubber boot from the pin. Do this without damaging the boot. I want to go ahead and clean these. Once they're clean, you want to go ahead, apply a light coating of grease, reinstall back in. Once you get in, go ahead and press the pin on, and the boot will reseat back onto the pin, like so. Repeat for the other side. Go ahead and line up your rotor, and get that set on. Line up and install the caliper bracket. Go ahead and get a bolt. Line up and installed. Once you get that upper bolt started, go ahead and install the lower bolt. I'm going to go ahead and torque these bolts to 125 foot-pounds. Install the brake pad slides. I'm going to install the inboard brake pad and the outboard pad. Get an upper bolt started. Do the same for the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and snug up these bolts. I want to torque down the caliper bolts to 32 foot-pounds. Go ahead and get that wheel installed. Go ahead and snug these down. torque range is 85 foot-pounds to 115. We're going to actually torque these to 100 foot-pounds. Do this in a crisscross pattern.